तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है।
Raksha Bandhan is a very pious Hindu festival between our brothers and sisters. Every year, every sister ties up a Rakhi in the hands of his brother as a token of her love, affection and gesture of goodwill for the prosperity of her brother. In advance of this COVID, and many brothers and sisters are not in a position to meet together to celebrate this function. This does not lower down the love between the brother and sister, and I express my sincere and goodwill gesture to all the students of Agrasen Balika Shiksha Sadan who will be tying up the Rakhis to their respective brothers.
In spite of the pandemic of COVID-19 grasping the world and leaving all of us in a critical situation, students of AVSS have celebrated Raksha Bandhan at their homes and have put a lot of effort to make this event a grand success.
Rakhi is a sacred thread. On this day, a sister ties Rakhi on her brother's wrist. This symbolizes love and prayer of her sister for the well-being of her brother. In return, a brother promises to take care and protect her sister under all circumstances.
Raksha Bandhan is the bond of protection, love and obligation. It is celebrated on the last day of Hindu lunar calendar of Sawan.
Raksha Bandhan is not only about tying threads, it is about protection in every aspect, irrespective of gender, caste, bond and other external factors.
Do you know that Raksha Bandhan is celebrated in our school?
Yes, of course, it is celebrated in a grand manner.
Is it so?
Come on, let's have a look at some memories of the celebration.
ओ बहना मेरी बहना, संग मेरे ज्यादा हंसना, कभी थोड़ा रूठ लेना तू।
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी।
It's a great occasion celebrated in Agrasen Balika Shiksha Sadan with enormous pomp and piety, happiness and sharing of the relation of brotherhood and sisterhood. This fire which is ignited in you today will continue to flourish throughout your life. You will remember these days and you will give a new shape to this relationship, a better shape to the celebration of Raksha Bandhan. Let God bless all of you.
As the month of August arrives, Indians all over the world get anxious to know the date on which Rakhi occurs. Rakhi lets boys and girls to behold their relation as brothers and sisters, despite of any kinship. The festival of Rakhi has its roots right in the epic of Mahabharata. Sri Krishna has an aunt named Sruta Devi. She gave birth to a deformed child called Sisupala. Elders reveal that Sisupala would be killed by the same person whose touch would bring him back to normality. One day, Sri Krishna came to his aunt's house. As Sruta Devi placed her son in the hands of Krishna, the child turned to be handsome. Though his aunt was happy to look at her kid, she was frowned to know that his death would be in the hands of Krishna. She pleaded Krishna to pardon her child, even if a situation comes where he should be punished. Krishna was moved by her plea and said, "I will excuse him for his misdeeds, but I shall certainly punish him if he crossed the mark of 100 mistakes." Sisupala has grown up to be the ruler of Chedi kingdom. He is now a ruler and a relative of great Krishna as well. But he used to be very brutal. He used to torture people in his kingdom and clashed with Krishna very often. He once started to abuse Krishna before the whole court. That was it! Sisupala on that day has crossed his limit of 100 mistakes, and so did the patience of Sri Krishna. Krishna aimed his Sudarshan Chakra at Sisupala. Such was the case when Sisupala has risked his own life despite being warned to be good. As Krishna charged the Sudarshan Chakra in a range, his finger got cut in the course. Everyone around Krishna has rushed to bring something to tie around the wound. But Draupadi, who was standing there, did not hesitate. She immediately teared a piece from her sari and wrapped it around the wound of Krishna's finger. Thank you, dear sister. You have come to my rescue in need. So will I help you whenever you are in trouble, assured Sri Krishna to Draupadi. This incident has led to the ritual of Raksha Bandhan. In later times, Krishna indeed kept his word by rescuing Draupadi when the Kauravas tried to insult her in full coat by dragging her sari. From thereupon, sisters were tying Rakhi to their brothers, and brothers in lieu would assure to look after their well-being throughout their life.
Students from MCKV Aviation Boys School are invited every year in ABSS for Raksha Bandhan celebration. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all the Agrasenians.
Raksha Bandhan, the one who is always caring, the sibling God chooses for sharing, the one upon whom I relied, and found within him a perfect guide.
Raksha Bandhan. Brothers and sisters always quarrel. Their fights drop the water from the barrel. Sometimes they're enemies. Sometimes they're the best buddies. They can turn things upside down. They're the clowns of the town. This auspicious day of Raksha Bandhan brings them closer. A simple bunch of threads make their love purer. This special day comes every year. On this day, no one can stop the siblings from coming near.
Before a few days of Raksha Bandhan, the students start to practice their dance and song that is to be performed on that day. The students also present their self-made Rakhi on a very beautiful decorative thali.
Sa 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 ga sa re dha ni sa re sa 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 ga sa re ga pa re.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है.
दिल आज खुश है मेरा, आंखें भरी भरी है साथ तारों जैसे प्यारी बहनें मेरी.
यूं तो दुनिया में हर शय का मोल है, मेरी राखी मगर अनमोल है. ये ना तुलती है दौलत की धार भैया, मेरी राखी का मतलब है प्यार भैया.
भैया मेरे राखी के बंधन को निभाना, भैया मेरे छोटी बहन को ना भुलाना. देखो ये नाता निभाना निभाना.
Let's make the Rakhi.
Rabindranath Tagore started Rakhi Mahotsav to celebrate Raksha Bandhan and strengthen the bond of togetherness between the Hindus and the Muslims.
1905 সালে 19শে জুলাই ব্রিটিশ ইন্ডিয়ার ভিসরয় লর্ড কার্জন ঘোষণা করলেন বঙ্গভঙ্গ. সেই সময় কবিগুরু রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর তীব্র বিরোধিতা করেছিলেন এই বঙ্গভঙ্গ নিয়ে. বঙ্গদর্শন পত্রিকায় একটি প্রকাশিত প্রবন্ধে তিনি তার মনোভাব ব্যক্ত করেন. সেই সময় রাখি বন্ধনের দিনটি স্মরণ করে তিনি হিন্দু মুসলিমের সম্প্রীতির বন্ধনটিকে পাকা করার জন্য রচনা করলেন এই গান। বাংলার মাটি, বাংলার জল, বাংলার বায়ু, বাংলার ফল।
বাংলার মাটি, বাংলার জল, বাংলার বায়ু, বাংলার ফল, পূর্ণ হোক, পূর্ণ হোক, পূর্ণ হোক হে ভগবান।
Sides of ABSS during the lockdown period. The lockdown period could never hinder the path and progress, the growth of the creative world of ABSS. ABSS possesses indeed very beautiful talents. The little talents of the school performed during this lockdown period and celebrated Raksha Bandhan in a grand manner.
ABSS celebrate Raksha Bandhan in a grand manner. The students of MCKV and Agresian boys are invited in ABSS for Raksha Bandhan celebration.
In this lockdown period, I really miss those days when I made these two thalis and presented in the hands of our little brothers from MCKV and Agresian Boys School.
It celebrates the bond of love and relationship between brothers and sisters.
This festival is celebrated in Hindu religion and is one of their most important festivals.